Is LAN, MAN, and WAN, and these are the three terms which are associated with the internet. So in today's class, we are going to discuss what is LAN, what how it is different from MAN and WAN, and how the different concepts are made, and what are their utilities, their applications, everything we are going to discuss in detail. So first of all, the LAN. LAN stands for local area network. It is a group of network devices that allows communications between various connected devices. Private ownership has control over the local area network rather than the public. LAN has a short propagation delay than MAN as well as WAN. It covers small areas such as colleges, schools, hospitals, and so on. We already discussed it. I think everybody knows LAN is it confined to small area. Then we will call it LAN, and it is network connections basically how we connect the network. Similarly, the MAN stands for metropolitan area network. It covers little bit, not little bit, the more area, the larger area than LAN, and has a town, cities. And MAN collects two or more computers that resides within the same completely different cities. So MAN is expensive, and it should be might not be owned by one organization because of its infrastructure and heavy cost. So it is managed by the government basically. And WAN stands or some big organizations, and WAN stands for wide area network. It covers a large area than LAN as well as MAN, and such as country, continent. WAN is expensive and might not be owned by a single organization at the same point. And the PSTN or satellite medium is used for wide area network. So this is all about your LAN, MAN, WAN. Now let's see it on the if we talk about its geographical area. This is a LAN. These are the lands, small lands, which is confined to the building, and the man is involved when the different cities get connected together. Then the same, see, the thing is same. That interconnection, the way of thing is same. The name is changed because of its geographical area is increased. So here it is LAN. Obviously, some components are changed. Like there we use the less number of switches and less number of hubs. Here we use some complicated hubs and some complicated switches. So MAN handles the cities, and WAN handles the countries, and LAN is confined to the building. This is the major difference between these three. So now let's talk about in the form of table. LAN stand for local area network. I think this is very silly. Now geographical spam operates in small operating area, and geographical range is not specific. It is not specific like one building or 1 kilometer. Yes, it is operates in small areas. That's why we are writing here, like in a campus or in a building. It means it is always it is 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, or it is interconnected, you may say, and operates in large areas like a city. If we are talking about the whole city, then it is called MAN. If it is a country, then we call it WAN. If talk about ownership, land ownership is private, it is public, and it is not, when it might not be owned by one organization, it is handled by the government. And transmission speed is high because it is confined to the small area. So LAN is very high, MAN is average, and WAN is slow comparative to LAN. These average and low word is used here compared to the LAN. If we are talking about propagation delay is a sort of delay, of signaling for signal to travel. So propagation delay is short in LAN because all the computers are very nearly placed. So there is no delay, but here there is a moderate delay, and here the propagation delay is long, just because, and these long and moderate is compared with this one. And then congestion, there is less congestion. Congestion means the heavy traffic. The traffic is less because of the congestion means there is the less congestion in the LAN, and the bit more in WAN, and more, and it is maximum in the WAN. And design and maintenance, LAN designs maintenance are easy, and while WAN design maintenance are difficult, and WAN is more difficult. Fault tolerance, there is more fault tolerance in LAN. while there is a less fault tolerance, and in WAN there is also a less fault tolerance. This is one topic. Now, apart from this, I would like to discuss one more topic over here, that is that is you know that is what is the difference. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Yes, I'll place my board here. Yes. Now the topic is the next topic that I would like to discuss over here is internet. There are two words: internet and intranet. So what are these two words? Basically, internet and intranet. Intranet, when we are talking about, intranet means the internet within a campus or within a specified limit, means a specified building. So means you are in house. You are in-house, if you created internet, that is what we call intranet. Intranet. Like in a small organization or a small company, there are, let us suppose, 50 or 100 or 1,000 computers. They are connected with each other and they have their own network. They have their own dedicated network. That their own dedicated network is what we call intranet. And when you want to speak with the outer world, say let us suppose with some another organization or with outer peoples, then a word come is called internet. So internet is basically for worldwide applications, and intranet is a public network which is suited for a small organization. It's set sometimes means this intranet, they have a control on the intranet on their own organization. And when they have to go beyond their organization to talk with somebody else, then the internet comes into play. So these are the two words, you need not to be confused into this. Definitely internet and intranet, mind it, there is a internet. So please be careful. Internet means जब आप किसी बाहर आउटर वर्ल्ड से बात करना चाहते हैं, www वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब से, तो आपको इंटरनेट की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। और अगर आप अपनी ही एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर सारे लोग आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, जिसका फिर एक टाइम वन टाइम कॉस्ट आएगी। आपने इंटरनेट बना लिया तो उसको बार बार आपको इंटरनेट की पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर इंटरनेट नहीं भी चल रहा तो भी आपका सिस्टम चलता रहेगा, क्योंकि वो आपका अपना डेडिकेटेड सिस्टम है। तो उसको इंट्रानेट कहते हैं। लेकिन हाँ, अगर इसी 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 नेटवर्क को हमें बाहर से किसी दूसरे नेटवर्क से कनेक्ट करना है, तो वो हमें इंटरनेट हम उसको इंटरनेट कहते हैं। सो आई होप आई क्लियर दीज कॉन्सेप्ट्स। सो लेट मी आस्क यू पीपल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड